Question 12. In which compound does one of the atoms not achieve the electronic configuration of 2.8? So let's look at all the atoms inside the options. Option A, we have sodium. So electronic configuration of sodium is 2.8, not 1. Okay, so you actually lose 1 electron to form 2.8. Okay, and Cl actually is 2.8.7. Okay, so you actually gain 1 electron to 2.8.8. Okay, so actually answer is A already because it doesn't form electronic configuration of 2.8. It forms 2.8.8. Okay, but let's just look at the rest of them. So aluminium is actually 2.8.3. So it will lose 3 electrons to form 2.8. And oxygen will be 2.6. Okay, you actually gain 2 electrons to form 2.8. So this one, yes, it will. Let's look at C. Magnesium. So magnesium is 2.8.2. Okay, it will lose 2 electrons to form 2.8. Okay, and oxygen will be similar, so it's 2.6 becomes 2.8. Okay, and finally sodium. Let's look at sodium. Sodium is 2.8.1. You will lose 1 electron to form 2.8. Okay, for oxygen it will be the same. So in this case, answer will be A.